option, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can I please have the primary car, the year, the make, and the model?
Uh,
Can I please have the primary car, the year, the make, and the model?
um, 2013 Jeep Wrangler.
Okay. Can you verify the spelling of your first name, please?
LORI.
Okay. Okay, great. And spell your last name for me, please.
Um, MURPHY.
Okay. Yeah, and what year were you born?
74.
Okay. What is your zip code?
31733.
Okay. Okay, what will happen next is you'll be called back by an insurance rate specialist who will be able to save you some money on your insurance. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. What is the name of your current insurance?
Um, I don't remember.
Okay. I've gone ahead and entered your information through our website. You'll be getting a call shortly. Be sure to let the agent know that you signed up online to get the best offers.
Okay.
And one more thing, you can save even more money if you bundle your auto quotes with your home or renter's insurance. Would you be interested in bundling and getting quotes on both home or renter's insurance
No,
as well?
no.
Okay, what type of home is it? Is it an apartment, condo, manufactured, multifamily, single family, or a townhome?
Sing, single family.
Okay. Are you currently insured?
It's not my house.
Okay. Would you like to receive quotes on health insurance?
No.
Thank you so much for your time today. Have a great day.